Our solar system, 8 planets, 1 sun, and was formed around 4.6 billion years ago. Since childhood, we consider Pluto as a part of our solar system. But what happened to Pluto now? Why are we not considering it as a family of our solar system? Today, we will be unveiling all the answers related to this. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cosmos Theory. Myself Mohit, and today we'll see the reason behind not to consider Pluto as a planet. When our solar system was formed and consisting of 5 rocky planets and 4 gas planets. After then, in 2006, due to International Astronomical Union, we came to know that Pluto is no longer a planet. So what happened actually? Why they made such a big decision and consider Pluto as a dwarf planet? In order to better understand this, we have to get back in the history. In 1840, Urban Le Verrier predicted Neptune from his mathematical formulas. However, afterwards astronomers found that there is another planet apart from Neptune. Moving ahead to 1906, Percival Lowell started a project called The Search of Possible Ninth Planet and predicting our Pluto as Planet X. Till that date, Pluto was not found. In 1929, Clyde Tombaugh took this initiative and started searching for Planet X. At last, in 1930, Tombaugh found this planet, and from that time, Pluto get into our books. However, all of our predictions were not accurate, as it found to be that Pluto mass was only 0.2% comparing to Earth, and small in size. It's so small that even Uranus was not getting affected by it. It was a small planet which is having an average temperature of minus 225 degrees Celsius. Pluto orbit is entirely different as it is elliptical which orbit on an odd angle of 17 degree. It takes around 248 years to complete a revolution. Now that created a confusion between scientists whether to consider this or not. Thus, in 2006, NASA launched a spacecraft in order to better understand Pluto and Kepler belt. After almost 9 years after, in 15 January 2015, our New Horizons spacecraft reached Pluto. Please note, Horizon spacecraft carried Clyde Tombaugh ashes along with it. This is really unbelievable news of us that the person who found Pluto reached there after his death. When a spacecraft crossed Pluto, it discovered another planet which was 25% larger than Pluto and also revolving around the Sun. That planet was called as Eris, which makes the scientists think about the guidelines on when to consider a dwarf planet as a planet. IAU defined new rules of considering a dwarf as a planet. First, the planet should be in orbit around the Sun. Second, has sufficient mass to keep hydrostatic equilibrium a nearly round shape. Both of these 2 points are being followed by Pluto. However, third and the most contradictory rule states that any dwarf planet must clear the neighborhood, which means that there should be no rubble or small meteors. Either they should fall on the planet or they revolve due to gravity, which couldn't be done by Pluto. As per some of the famous astronomers, Pluto orbit is clean, there are no meteors or small objects over there, so in case if we replace Pluto position with the Earth, then should we remove Earth from our solar system also? That's how Pluto considered as a dwarf planet. So please keep in mind that Pluto is not destroyed, it is still revolving around the Sun and many other dwarf planets are doing the same thing. After that, IAU passed two new resolutions which classified the objects in orbit around our Sun. The number first was planets, which we know of apart from Pluto. Second one were dwarf planets, those planets which doesn't fulfill the third requirement such as Pluto, Ceres, UB313, etc. Small solar system bodies, which includes everything else including asteroids and comets. Scientists are still arguing about this with their valid points. We hope that they will be able to consider Pluto back into our books. So guys, that's all for today. I hope that information was helpful. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, happy exploring cosmos. Thank you.